In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com, a powerful tool for enhancing your workflow efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly convert emails into tasks or items within your Monday.com boards, streamlining operations significantly. First, you'll need to open your board on Monday.com. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Make sure you've navigated to the specific board where you would like to receive emails as tasks or items. This setup is vital for ensuring that emails are directed to the correct project or workflow. Once you're in the relevant board, it's time to get your board's unique email address. This step involves clicking the three-dot menu icon located at the top right of your board. From the drop-down, select Board Settings and then Create Items via Email. Here, you'll find the unique board email address. Copy this address, as you'll need it to direct emails straight into your board. With this email address in hand, the next step is to send an email to it. Open up your preferred email client, be it Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you use. Paste the unique board's email address into the To field. Here's a crucial tip. The subject line of your email will become the item name in Monday.com. Meanwhile, the body of your email will transform into the item update. This linking of subject and body to items and updates allows you to communicate effectively within the platform. Now, let's talk about controlling who can send emails to your board. By default, any email that reaches the board's address will automatically create an item, but you have the flexibility to control these permissions based on your requirements. You can set it so that only board members can send emails, specify particular email addresses that have this privilege, or allow anyone with the email address to contribute. Adjust these settings to maintain control over the items being created and potentially avoid any unnecessary clutter on your boards. Finally, it's important to organize the incoming emails effectively once they're in Monday.com. Utilize columns such as status, priority, assignee, and due date to categorize and prioritize the items as they come in. This structure can be particularly useful for managing client requests, handling support tickets, or taking in tasks from external stakeholders. It allows you to maintain a clear overview of everything in progress and ensures efficient handling of all incoming communications. By following these steps, you'll transform Monday.com into a dynamic part of your email management strategy, empowering your team to be more organized and proactive without the usual back and forth. Enjoy the streamlined flow of information and watch as your productivity takes a positive turn.